Well, we are the family from Denmark. Our name is Eva and Ip, and we have traveled a lot in Asia for the last 10 years, but this year we have chosen Mexico, and we found Playas Palm very nice. The people here of Mexico is gently, they are calm, what we didn't find in Asia, we have found here in Mexico. It is perfect, the hotel is perfect, the weather is fine, the beach is fine, the hotel, everything here, we can't, what do we call it? Explain it. You can't say anything bad about it. We have been traveling to Tulum, we have been traveling to Chichen Itza, we have seen lots of så går den står. I'm sorry. Playas Palm er det sted i Mexico, som vi har foretrukket. Stedet har alt, hvad der er ved at byde på. Hotellet ligger perfekt i forhold til strand, til by, menneskene. Hotellet er super, og vi har kun at sige til andre, tag til Mexico og lad os få en oplevelse.